Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Alright, hello everybody. It is a Tuesday. I know it's not Thursday. I do apologize for that. But I came across some new news that YouTube is going to be rolling out a new AI for age restricting videos. And I just want to let you guys know that. So it's from an article on theverge.com. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description down below. But what I'm looking at is that YouTube is rolling out more artificial intelligent power technology to catch more videos that may require age restrictions, meaning more viewers will be asked to sign into their accounts to verify their age before watching. And immediately as I read that, I thought, oh man, a lot of people are going to lose out on views and on money just because now it's going to require you to sign in. And I believe later in the article explains that you'll be prompted to sign in even in out-of-party apps like Twitter and stuff like that. So this is going to be a big hit, I think, in terms of views for some people. And another issue that I thought of that they mention is, let's go ahead and pull it up here. I'll put it on the screen. Hold on. Yes, the company is preparing for there to be some mistakes in labeling, as in the case with any rollout of AR moderation tech. And as part of the changes, people watching YouTube videos embedded on third-party sites will be redirected to YouTube to sign in and verify their age. So, yep, I mentioned that. So they're expecting for people's videos to be flagged for no apparent reason at all. So I know a lot of people get their YouTube's videos flagged for saying swear words, just one maybe in the video. And some people get like their video flagged for no reason at all sometimes. So I'm sure this can be a very frustrating experience. Maybe it is good for parents that do not want their kids watching these videos, but for content creators, it's going to be a little tough, I think. But yeah, it says in the article that YouTube's getting pressure from parents saying that YouTube isn't for anybody under the age of 13. So they're going to go ahead and roll that out. So another thing that they mentioned was, I'm going to put up on the screen, is one of the biggest questions facing creators in YouTube's partner program, those who are able to monetize their videos, is whether these moderation measures will have an effect on their money-making potential. YouTube's team doesn't believe so because the majority of the videos it anticipates will receive automatic age restrictions also likely violate the company's advertiser-friendly guidelines. Basically, those videos would already have limited or no ads, according to YouTube. So I'm not going to advocate for either side of this argument, but I could see how YouTube is saying, yeah, your videos are already demonetized, so you shouldn't lose anything additional to that. But I also think that a lot of people's videos are going to get flagged and will lose momentum and stuff like that if for some reason it was a mistake. So I could be wrong. I'm not an expert in the field, but I'm just bringing you guys this news. Obviously, I'm not a monetized channel, so yeah, I just thought I would go ahead and bring that to you guys' attention, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and you guys stay golden, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.